So Spencer,
What?
we're now almost at Lillooet, right?
Yeah.
Let's just recap what happened to Tim Hortons. You want to tell the people what happened to your beautiful bike?
It was hit and run.
So yeah, a little bit more than that.
Someone backed up into it.
An older guy.
Yeah, an older guy, and then drove off.
And then drove off, and then the cop went and found, or went looking for him.
Yeah.
So.
You're lucky there's a cop right
We are lucky. So you and Eric this week have been hit and run. Classic. It's creepy, eh? What is it?
there. Dead bug.
It wasn't dead. It was still kicking.
Yeah. He's dying. Dying bug.
Quite located.
We've all made it closer to Lillooet. Crash number 2. First one was Damon. He was a little short. Pardon?
I got C so far.
You've crashed twice?
When we stopped for my phone.
That's once.
Then up there.
You crashed?
Oh yeah. Well, remember when he biffed it? Oh right, he was trying to burn out.
Oh right, I missed that. Okay, so that's crash number 2. Now Spencer, want to tell us what happened for crash number 3?
I was going through a corner a bit too fast, and I hit the rear brake.
Okay, it was like a full 180-degree corner, and
no, it was after the 180-degree corner.
And
there's a shit ton of gravel.
And what did you do?
And so I needed to bleed speed, so I hit the brake, which was my first mistake.
Don't hit the brake. The pan saved you though. So what's the rule?
All the gear most of the time.
All the gear most of the time. That's right. Oh, guys, wear your gear. So guys, that's the end of part 1 for the Lillooet motorcycle ride. That's Vancouver to Lillooet in hyperspeed. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a great time with the guys. Make sure you check out for our next video, part 2, where we arrive in Lillooet Bc in the middle of nowhere. We start hitting the trails and we climb some mountains, some really sketchy mountains. So that beautiful drone footage you saw from the beginning, that's what you're about to see in part 2. So thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it if you got this far. If you did get this far, we're trying to get to 100 likes on this video. If you can, please help me out. Thanks, guys. Much love from the Good Guy Biker. This is Alex from Motorcycles Vancouver. Seeing you in part 2. Today I want to talk about PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder, after my motorcycle accident. So for a long time I never understood PTSD. I always thought it was bullshit, insurance bullshit, or people talking like they had some kind of problem they didn't actually have. A friend who was in a bank while it was robbed, and he said he can't be in banks anymore. I never really understood. I've been in motorcycle accidents before, nothing nearly this serious, nothing that hospitalized me for months and months and months. Required dozens of surgery. The first time I got back on my BMW after the accident in 2013, it really fucked me up. First time I pulled out of the neighborhood into traffic and froze. Fuck off! So the PTSD shit really grabbed a hold.